Feels good early in the morning today. About 8:45. Gonna go get some gas, fill up my goddamn peanut tank, and then you know, get some lane splitting action on my way to school. So $4. Have a good one, man. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a new gas cap. It's pretty cool, I like it. I'm gonna put it on my new tank. It does get fucking marks on it hella fast though, so you have to like wipe it every time. Let's get it. I feel good. I hope you guys are too. I hope everybody is having a fantastic, you know, day. Let's get it, guys. And I put a windscreen on my mic, so I really hope that it doesn't catch, you know, a lot of the wind noise. I used to work in Los Gatos, and then that's where, you know, my school is located, and I have to take the ferry over there. I don't have to, but I am. Usually it's fastest way. And so gonna get some lane splitting action. It's probably always gonna have traffic in the morning, especially weekdays. Let's see what's up to this biker. Hey, what's good, dude? Nice. CBR. Sick. How many cc's is that?
600.
Ah, nice. Where you headed to?
Where am I going? Sunnyvale.
Sunnyvale. Nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Where you headed to?
What happened?
Where you headed to?
Oh, West Valley.
West Valley?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
It's in Los Gatos.
Yeah.
So, you know, pretty cool, right?
The camera right here is better than on the side?
Yeah, because the wind hits it. And so you can feel it, you know, turn. You know what I mean? So I like it better here. Like a first person view. You know? It's just what I prefer.
Yeah, I've been thinking about getting one.
Yeah, you should. This is a Hero 4.
Hero 4?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like $200,
Okay.
you know? So it's pretty good to start off with, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Yeah. I'll see you, man. Sounds pretty cool. You had a CBR 600cc. Pretty cool. You know, I love the interactions when I'm on the bike. That, you know, that's what's important to me. So, you know, on the freeway, on a Sportster, you know, for me it's fine. I don't have a front fairing, so I get a lot of wind, you know, but even then, you know, I'm used to it, so I'm chilling. Feels good, nice breeze, you know, it's a cool breeze, because it's been hot lately. So, you know, you gotta appreciate it, man. See that up there? There's the mighty traffic. And, you know, definitely when you're lane splitting, you gotta be aware of the cars, you know, that don't see like that just merge over hella quick without no fucking blinkers. I'm looking on the right, always looking through my rearview mirrors as well to see if there's other bikers and whatnot. Oh, I appreciate that, man. Thanks. I get to ride my bike to school? What's better than that? Let's get it. this is the, yeah, this is the stop traffic's right here. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Thank you, man. Or woman. Thank you. I love morning rides, dude. Like, thank you, sir. Thank you. I gotta find an opening. Nice, man. I enjoy this. Yeah, people say it could be dangerous, but you know, you gotta give yourself time to react. You have to ride to the best of your ability. That gives you the, you know, the best chance of just riding safe. Let's get this nice lean. Man, I gotta get a different face mask or a different helmet, because I hate when the sun's in my eyes with this clear fucking visor, dude. Slowing down a little bit, getting between these mother efforts. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. You guys think I can squeeze through? I bet you I can. Oh, look at that. Oh man, I'm enjoying this ride, everybody. Feels good. I know, like, you know, you're just watching and listening, but let me tell you, the feeling of actually riding it. It's unbelievable. It's so nice, so pleasing. Can I get right here? Hello? Can I get right here? Thank you. Thank you. I think there's enough room. Yeah, you can go this way. All right. I'll fucking race you, Commute, you little bitch ass. And this is my exit. Good, and my GoPro didn't die, so sweet. Alright, that was a fucking nice ride. Sorry for the F-bomb, but it was. I love riding on nicely paved roads, new roads. But yeah, guys, I hope you liked the footage I got today. Man, pretty smooth, and I'm gonna love riding over there, riding back, and I can't wait to get all this footage, make some videos for you guys. And like I said, if you did like the video today, make sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos in the future, go ahead and subscribe, please. And I'll see all of you on the next one. Later, guys.